guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. So I did this video in May when I was doing a feature on Newsroom, and they told me to do an African hairstyle in my African hair studio. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle that I did. I never thought I was gonna post it, but we did some footage on it, so I was like, okay, why not post it? Okay, so in this video I am still doing the needle and thread flat twist lookalike, but in this case it is quite jumbled. Like I am spacing the wool quite a bit, and this kind of spacing is ideal for where hair is medium to high density. When the hair is a little bit long, like medium length hair or to long hair, like it is the best actually when the hair is kinky, natural, it is not too straight, quite coily, and that way it has got more volume even. So that is when it is best. If someone has got a lot of hair, then why not? You can also do this kind of chunky flat twist. Yeah, that's what I called it. I called it the chunky needle and thread flat twist. Yeah, it is quite a nice hairstyle, especially now in South Africa. We're approaching Heritage Day, and a lot of us want to rock our African hairstyles, African attires, like African clothing, African print, and you know, that kind of thing, like our traditional, our heritage. And this hairstyle here, it is actually quite good for that kind of look, because in the end you're going to see, don't don't get off the video. Make sure you watch up to the end, because you're going to see how I finished the whole hairstyle, like the whole look, which is like an African kind of look with some beads and all that kind of stuff. If you want to learn how to do this kind of hairstyles, you know what? I have a video, actually numerous videos, when I am doing proper tutorials on how to achieve the needle and thread flat twist and also the needle and thread cornrows. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I hope you're going to check my channel out. And I do a lot of hair videos on this channel. I also do a bit of cooking and fashion, and you know, I'm just trying to see what you guys would like the best, but mostly I do hair videos. So if you like it here, please subscribe and watch 2, 3, 4, or even binge watch my channel. That would be like so nice. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, no, don't switch off now. I'm not saying goodbye to you. Goodness. Okay, please watch up to the end, and okay, please watch up to the end, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it with your friends and family. If you share my videos, YouTube is going to see that people are actually interested. So it would be nice if you actually share my videos, and also maybe watch 2 or 3 videos on my channel. That will boost my income quite a lot, because yeah, I really need that. I still have questions about where I get the needle. So the needle, if you shop online, you can find it online. Like you just search for a big sewing needle, or you can search for a tapestry needle or a yarn sewing, jersey sewing needle. As long as it's a big sewing needle and it is blunt, then it is good. There are also some plastic ones as well, which I think are much better than this big needle. So if you can get that, that would be even much better. With regards to the yarn, I use 3-ply, guys. I use 3-ply acrylic yarn. I also use a Canecolon fiber. You can also use a Brazilian wool. You can use anything really, as long as it doesn't have a lot of friction on the hair. Because if it's got a lot of friction, then it will just tear the hair apart. So you want to use something that doesn't have a lot of friction. And you can also dip the wool into some oil, or put some grease onto the wool, so that it does not have too much friction with the hair and it doesn't dry the hair out. I think those are the questions that I wanted to address in this video as well. What do you think about this hairstyle? I love it. Like, I really like those bubbles that I did with the wooden beads. Unfortunately, when I was putting together this video, that's actually one of the reasons why I thought I wasn't going to share this video, because as I was putting it together, I realized that the portion where I was doing the bubbles and also putting those beads onto the bubbles, it's not there. I looked for it everywhere, it's not there. So I'm sorry, I'll probably do another video that has this kind of bubbles with beads. But yeah, I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.